My name is Rana Azfar Zafar. I'm born in Pakistan in the city of Lahore, and I got my pharmacy degree there and started my career in a pharmaceutical industry as a sales rep. And moving towards different positions, I am now the general manager for Novo Nordisk Korea. Previously, I was the general manager for Novo Nordisk Pakistan, and now I moved here about 4 years back. My life in Korea is very, very good. I really like living in Korea. There are many things to appreciate. Nice people, nice weather, nice environment. Novo Nordisk Korea is one of the leading company in Korea. We are now at 36 ranking in the whole pharmaceutical industry. And if you look at the multinational companies, we are about 17th ranking. The company specializes in diabetes. We are the world leader in diabetes. We provide 50% of the world demand of insulin. In addition to that, our new therapeutic areas is obesity. We have a world-class products, the world's #1 product here. And then also we have growth hormone for the children for their disease of the growth. We also have some hemophilia products that is also available in Korea. So overall, the company is doing good. We have expanded a lot. Initially, when I came, that people said that we should not expand a lot, but since 2017, from a head count of 100 people, now we are about 115 employees, and our sales has been threefold since the time I joined. My daily routine in Korea is quite fixed, except for the weekends. Of course, as a general manager and vice president of the company, I have a lot of responsibilities. So I wake up early morning, quite early morning, and then the first thing I do is take my coffee. Then it's time for shower and change, and then I come down to make my breakfast. I take time to make the breakfast because this is the most important meal for me in the day. That also helps me to be energetic in the morning, and then it's time to go to office. Depending upon the traffic, from here to my office, it takes about 45 minutes to 1 hour sometime. My elder daughter is studying in London. My younger daughter right now is in Pakistan. My mother lives in Pakistan. So one of my daily routine is to call my mother every day. That is my commitment towards her. She is old, she is 85. My father has passed away. So that is the last thing which I do, and before going to the bed. The reason of coming is basically the nature. If you see around, there are very, very nice place. I really love my garden. You can sit outside. The view is beautiful from our room. I can see the Namsan Tower. Above all, this Bukhansan skywalk is just here, and then I used to go and walk there. I am an outdoor person, but I try to enjoy many things. I listen to music, I watch some movies, but also I have one thing which I play drums also, and then I bought these drums here, and then sometime I play the drums. So that is something which really I enjoy. There are certain places which I really like to sit. There is a terrace outside here. This is my favorite place to sit, and then I enjoy there having a coffee. My wife actually like these carpets. These are very special carpets. They are hand knotted, and then some of them are from Afghanistan. Some of them are from Iran, and then the wool is lamb wool, and the dye it is used is vegetable dyes. The furniture over here you can see is we brought from Pakistan. Most of the furniture in my house, and also few of the paintings which we have. These are from very famous artists. Some of them are calligraphies, some of them are modern arts. So I have some collection of paintings which I collected from different parts of the world. I think this one is the most fine and favorite carpet. It's quite old also. It is very fine, and then per square inch knots are very high. That is why it is very fine. This is the one which I really like. At night the view is very beautiful. So from my room I can see all the Seoul. So there is so many things about this house that I really appreciate and like.